This is your 2001 to 2003 Saab 9.3 turbo HO hot motor making any clacking or rattling sounds. Mine was. And every post on the internet is shit. So, is it possible to find any information? So I just took this off of a brand new motor I just put in here that wouldn't come off, and this is the harmonic balancer falling apart, Saab quality, and all the screws that hold it together in the back came out and went right into the timing chain cover and mutilated the timing chain cover, and the giant snap ring is about to pop out. So if your engine on your Saab's clacking, don't run it till it stops clacking, because when it stops clacking it's going to catch something big in there and make the motor stop. Peace out.